Welcome to my apartment here in Warsaw. I really like these videos where people are showing you their apartment. They're telling you like how much it costs and like, I don't know, who they live with. So I'm gonna do the same today. I'm gonna use the fact that Nina is here. So my apartment is located right in the center of Warsaw. Warsaw is Poland's capital, for those of you that don't know. And I pay $600 for this apartment. It's basically living room and bedroom, so that means one bedroom apartment, right? $605, I just checked. Come in. You're basically in because the apartment is not that big. Oh, I feel like I should also tell you how big it is. It is 38 or 39 square meters. And I just want to say that for Warsaw, I'm pretty lucky. This is like a pretty good deal because we're right in the center of Warsaw. We're like downtown. Like you literally cannot be more downtown. Okay, we're gonna start with my kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is unnecessarily big because I literally don't do anything in this kitchen right now.
Yeah, right. But if anyone wants a by Kaya cooking show, I mean,
it's gonna be happening here.
Yeah.
Or like making coffee show or something, because that's the only thing I do here.
I think
or
that's
like,
realistic.
Yeah, or I make like oatmeal and shit like that. But people show their fridge, like.
Yeah.
Just
don't be scared.
Don't do that. It's like basically empty. But this is my fridge. This is what I keep in my fridge. AKA nothing.
I mean, what's your favorite meal that you cook here?
Oatmeal.
Coffee.
Sandwiches. And one thing I want to say is that I'm just renting out this apartment. It's not my apartment and I didn't furnish it. So
you're renting it, not renting it out.
Oh yeah, I'm renting it. I'm renting this apartment. And I didn't furnish it, so those furnitures are not my choice. Just so people know, because I would choose different furnitures basically.
By the way, you're lucky to have a washing machine.
Oh, actually, you know what? It's in Poland. It's like totally normal. Like everyone has a washing machine at home. When I was like apartment hunting, every time I went in, I would be like, "Is there a washing machine?" And people were like, "What do you mean?" Yeah,
of course there is.
Yeah. So it's not like Paris. Basically, like we lived in Paris before, and in Shanghai, I feel like it's more common. But
yeah.
But both Paris and Bangkok, we didn't have washing machine because there it's like luxury to own one.
Okay. Another cool thing I think is like the sink.
Why is it cool?
It does.
Oh, this thing. This is cool because it can move.
I mean, you know.
Okay, let's continue to my living room. So this is my living space. Oh, this is my bar where I entertain all my friends. So this is my living room. To be honest, I don't even ever hang out here. When I come home after work, I'm just like in my bedroom. But anyways, I think it's
what?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You have this whole space?
I don't know, I like to eat on my bed, which is like such a bad habit, right? But I do that. I don't know, but if I have time to like work or like edit videos or write, I do it by this table. So this is like my favorite little area here because I sit and I can like look outside and yeah, I don't know, it's just a nice little area to work. My favorite thing about, not my favorite thing, one of the like features of this apartment that I like is this table. So a cool thing about this table is that, I mean, it's like glass, so I figured that I will like put all my old magazines. So these are basically magazines that I've been like collecting for years.
Should we do like you reading the Vogue there? Make it look natural.
No, just like from traveling, I would, collect magazines, and my favorite ones I would always keep in my house in Denmark. So now when I got this apartment, I figured that I would move some of my magazines from Denmark to here. So it's like inspiration corner. How I get inspiration for my videos. Yeah. It's like all on Chinese. Okay, great creative idea. Yeah, I really
appreciate you're welcome.
That. And here I have my inspirational books that I got at Siam Park in Thailand, my favorite.
What's your
mall.
favorite?
Well, I would love to tell you that, but I haven't read them yet. But they're here. It's nice to have this like glass table because I can see them, so I feel guilty every time I see them for not reading them. But I kind of started one of them, so it like motivates me to keep reading or to start reading, maybe not keep reading. For the last 2 years, I lived in Shanghai, Bangkok, and Paris, and we were moving around so much, so I was not able to have plans. I mean, I could, but I knew I was moving, so I didn't want to have plans. So when I moved in here, like my number one thing that I wanted to get were plants. So I went to IKEA and I asked whatever person works there to tell me which plants are most like best for people who don't know how to water plants, or not don't know how to water plants. I know it, but I forget. And he told me that these ones are the perfect plants for people who forget to water their plants. It's pretty. This is a little Taj Mahal from Taj Mahal. I got it in Agra when Nina and I were in Taj Mahal a couple months ago. And this is like this really cool globe by this Danish designer.
Video link down below, by the way.
It's this cool Danish designer, and I found it on sale. It was like 50% off, so I was like, yes, I must bring a globe. So when I moved to Warsaw, like half of my suitcase was a globe, because I had to, you know, pack it in, to like wrap it in to make sure it's not gonna break. This is a cute pic of me and my friends just when I moved, when I was like 19 and I moved to Shanghai.
Cute.
It's in front of Baruch, can you see?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was like my first time going to Baruch. It's like a club that I like in Shanghai. This corner right here is, yeah, as I told you, this is like where I like to sit and write or edit videos or pay my rent or something. You know?
I love to pay rent.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
And my favorite area to do it.
I think the favorite area where I sit and cry. One thing I must say is that I was like pretty lucky with this apartment. I was apartment hunting for like a month. And I've seen almost every day after work I would go to see apartments because I really wanted to live downtown. So for that price, I just want to say, for those who, I don't know, might be interested in getting an apartment in Warsaw, you have to be pretty-ish lucky to get an apartment this size for that price. Majority of other apartments I've seen downtown were like much smaller, like even 10 square meters smaller for the same price that I paid. One more thing I want to say, I did not choose that picture. That picture is going away very soon. I mean, it's an okay, nice picture, but I do not want to have it on my wall. It was here when I moved in, so I really want to change that picture. So if you have any ideas for good, like, I don't know, sites with posters, because it's basically just a poster, let me know. Okay, let's continue to my bedroom, or maybe bathroom. Bathroom is, I must say, a little ugly. I mean, nothing special, just a very average bathroom. Yeah. I don't like the color. I like bathrooms that are white because it like reminds me of cleanliness, whatever. Yeah, very standard bathroom. It's like, it's fine for one person. There's a lot of storage area. After like our bathrooms in like Shanghai or like whatever, it's like kind of luxury to even have like, you know, storage.
Yeah.
And a good thing about this apartment is for sure that, you know, if you live downtown, storage is always difficult. Like it's difficult. Usually it's like one closet or whatever. And here I have one closet in my bedroom and this closet, which is really deep, so I can keep all my suitcases there, and I have like 3 suitcases. So usually, like, I mean, you don't think about it, but it is an issue because they take quite a lot of space. So that's really nice that I can keep it all there. And this is my bedroom. It's quite small. And I would say, okay, I'm gonna say that I like it, I feel good here, but at the same time, like the number one thing I would change about this freaking apartment is these ugly ass furniture. Like who thought that this would be a good closet? And also the bed. It's just very chunky and dark and old fashioned, and I don't like it. So that's like one thing that I would change about this apartment. And also I keep like hitting myself on this thing. Like it's so silly, like who makes a bed like that? But a nice thing about it is that even though it's like small and narrow, I always feel like it's sort of like a cage, or I don't know how to say it, you know? So it's kind of nice to be there. Cave. Yeah, and like just chill and, you know, edit videos and stuff like that. And I'm not gonna show you that because that would be creepy, but I like what I love about this apartment is the view, because I'm downtown, so I can see like quite a lot of the city. So yeah, that's like probably, like location is the best thing about this apartment because I'm right in the center. Like whatever I want, it's here. There's even a 24-hour pizza place open like a few hundred meters from my house. So for me, it's like the biggest luxury to be able to afford to live downtown because, like, as I said, in all these like big cities I lived in for the last couple of years, it's not even like a question to be able to, not even a question, that doesn't make sense. No, basically what I'm trying to say is that in Paris or Shanghai, like you have to be very well off to afford to live downtown. So that's something I love about Warsaw, that it's more affordable, and yeah, that I can afford to live downtown. Thank you for coming in, and if you enjoyed this video and you want to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will hopefully see you soon. Bye.